Hey guys, welcome back. I have something fun for you guys today, and this is from the brand GOC. First time buying from this brand. It's called GOC Vehicle Museum. The scale is 64 as always, and this one's actually replicates the GMC TOPKICK C4500 off-road version. As you can see, pretty heavy-duty crew cab pickup truck, and the packaging is, the outer layer is a paper box, and then they do fit in acrylics in here. You know, these days, all the brands trying to use acrylic to showing how premium they are, but personally, I'm not a big fan of acrylic box. And it does have the TOPKICK badge on the display here. So let's take this packaging out of here because the truck itself is huge. I need some space to display this thing. Even though it claims to be a medium duty pickup truck, but the size wise, I always like to use a Toyota Camry for comparison. You can see this guy is ridiculous huge, and it's very tall. It doesn't even look like it's the same scale. Let me use the Silverado and the F-150 for the comparison here. You can see it's not on the same level either. It looks like a real truck, but under a pickup skin. So yeah, right? And that's it for the size comparison. So if you actually watch the movie Transformer, this is more famously known as Ironhide, like as vehicle form from the first Transformer movie. I personally don't know, I cannot remember all the Autobots in the movie, but I only know the Optimus Premium and Bumblebee. But what I can do is I'm gonna attach a photo here for your comparison. I think I accidentally break this mirror. That's fine. All right, GMC heavy duty pickup truck. It's a commercial truck. As you can see, you don't see this kind of vehicle riding on the road every day. Iconic GMC front grille and off-road bumper here. Looks ridiculous. It's that rolled armor, and actually a pretty good job on those chrome parts on this vehicle. So the whole thing basically just a matte finish with some chrome pieces here and there. Feels like, you know, metal body and metal base, and some of these bottom pieces should be plastic, like all these shafts, transmission things, exhaust pipes and stuff. Talking about exhaust pipes, very interesting location of the exhaust pipes. So it goes under on the sides, and actually one in the middle too, and then goes all the way vertically up here on top. Interesting design. And this car, it feels like does not have a lot of, you know, very detailed photo etched parts, and it also does not have some moving pieces. But what it has is the size. And this thing is huge. And okay, go back to the front. These light bulbs are not too bad. I mean, it looks like the dead fish eyes, but I don't see light bulbs. But well, it's acrylic separate pieces, so I cannot complain too much about that. Fog lights too. Fog lights are painted, and look at all the details at the bottom here. Some blinkers are out on the sides here. The yellow painted, and these windshield wipers are actually separate pieces. Surprisingly, they did pretty good on this piece right here. Very nice. And the mirrors, oh, I should stop touching this mirror, guys. I'm gonna re-glue this thing. The mirrors are not rubber, that's why I just falling apart here. So you gotta be careful. This might be plastic parts. And here we go on the side. Huge off-road tires. In my opinion, it could be larger. I think it should be larger than that, because compared to the chassis size, the wheels are fairly small. I don't know why. Lifted heavy duty off-road. All right, finally. All right, here we go. Finally. Lifted suspension here, and huge off-road tires with tire tread, and wheels are same matte finish black color, and the silver nut in the middle. Do I see the braking details? I don't see any brake disc or anything. On the side, you can see a GMC C4500 Duramax diesel V8 diesel engine. Not surprised. Okay, let's see what else here. As I said, nothing too crazy. It's just the size. They're very impressive. Gas cap on this side. Do I see another one on the other side? Nope. Sometimes for the truck like this size, they will have more than one gas cap. And moving to the back. So the truck bed cannot be opened or anything. It's all closed. Tail lights are acrylic pieces with the handles in the middle. GMC on the corner here. More bumpers on the rear end. These might be some towing hooks, maybe. 4x4, and just some blinker lights all around. At the bottom, we already seen the bottom. Yeah, pretty good. Lifted suspension details, and silver painted here and there. I want to say I should be able to open this thing, but not 100%, so I'm gonna give it a try. Even though I can already see all the things going on. It's tinted window, but it's not like 100% tinted. You can see like the seats at front, and then some bench in the back. Actually not bench, there's 2 chairs in the back. And I don't see any other color other than gray. So I do see 3 screws. Well, it looks like none of the driver bit fits the screw size here, so I'm just gonna give up. And well, that concludes the video. Hope you guys like this content, and give me a like and subscribe. That will encourage me a lot. So I'll see you guys in the next one.